Capstone Simulation, Strategy to Win Top Results, $9.99/1000. Hello and welcome to this in-depth video lecture on how to achieve top-tier results in the Capstone Simulation. Whether you are preparing for your course simulation or the Capsim final assessment, this guide will help you maximize your performance across all 8 rounds of the game. In this video, we'll walk through a refined strategy used in 2017 to secure leading positions in all performance metrics, including net profit, sales revenue, market share, stock price, and balanced scorecard points. Let's get started. Overall strategy philosophy: build and win simultaneously. Unlike outdated strategies that require sacrificing early profitability to develop new products, this new approach allows you to maintain strong financial performance while developing and launching new products between Round 2 and Round 4. The key is balance. We introduce new products, update existing ones, and maintain strong marketing, production, and financial controls, all at the same time. Round 2, new product launches. In Round 2, we strategically introduce a second product in the traditional segment. We name this product TR2, Traditional Round 2. For this new product, we set its performance and size specifications based on projected segment preferences. For instance, in Round 7, the traditional customer segment will expect 4.8 for performance and 15.2 for size. So, for TR2, we preemptively set it at 4.9 performance and 14.8 size, ensuring it's ready for a mid-year launch in 2019. However, sometimes the traditional segment doesn't allow an update to the exact ideal spot. In such cases, adjust by a few points, e.g., 13.8 instead of 14.0, to match realistic feasibility while staying close to the sweet spot. Product update logic: in addition to launching TR2, we also update existing products such as the high-end segment item. Since the ideal performance and size change annually, we make slight updates to keep the product aligned with evolving customer demands. You don't always need to reach the ideal position. Instead, apply the 50% rule, that is, target performance and size values halfway between last year's and next year's preferences. This gets you close to the sweet spot, which still satisfies customers and allows timely updates. Avoid excessive updates that delay product launches. Products should ideally be ready by June or July of the same year. Marketing decisions: price, promo, sales. Next, let's talk about marketing. Pricing strategy: we derive our pricing from last round's prices, competitor benchmarks, top-selling products in each segment. For instance, traditional segment, use prices around $29.50 to $30 low end, keep prices closer to $20 to $22 high end, target $34 to $35 performance and amp size. Stay within the range of $33 to $35. When in doubt, reduce prices slightly, about 50 cents to $1, to stay more competitive. Avoid price wars, but undercut high-priced competitors just enough to capture attention without hurting your margins. Promotion and sales budget: for best-selling products, allocate $2,000 in both promo and sales budgets. For new or low-priority products, allocate around $1,500. This helps maintain customer awareness and accessibility, ensuring your product is visible and available. Forecasting demand and production: forecasting is critical. Use the industry conditions report and segment analysis to identify growth rates per segment, market share projections, carryover inventory for each product. Forecast demand conservatively, then add 10% to 15% as a safety margin. This helps you avoid stockouts, which could kill your sales momentum. But don't overproduce. Too much inventory can increase holding costs. Capacity and automation: increase capacity only if your forecasted sales require it. For the traditional segment, increase automation from 5.0 to 6.0 for low end, increase from 6.7 to 8.4. Higher automation reduces labor costs, but beware, more automation increases R and amp winking and laughing revision time. HR and TQM investments: long-term gains. In Round 2, we start investing in human resources, recruiting spend, $5,000 training hours, 80 hours per year. These are long-term investments that improve productivity and reduce turnover, improving financial outcomes over time. In rounds 3 to 4, you may also begin investing in TQM/sustainability initiatives. Select high ROI options such as process improvements, quality initiative training, R&AMP, winking and laughing, cycle time reduction. Each investment will give you ongoing returns, particularly in efficiency and customer satisfaction. Finance decisions. Funding growth smartly. To fund all these expansions and upgrades, we issue long-term debt. In round 2, we issue $23 million in long-term debt to fund R&AMP, winking and laughing, automation, and capacity expansion. Avoid issuing too much equity to prevent shareholder dilution. Avoid large emergency loans by keeping cash buffer of $2 to $5 million. Use financial structure reports to compare your leverage and liquidity to industry averages. Maintain a moderate debt-to-equity ratio, 1.5 to 2.0, for healthy financial stability. Round 2 result highlights. Let's review the results from round 2 using this strategy. Sales revenue, $198 million, versus $152 million in round 1. Net profit, $6.7 million. Cumulative profit, $16 million, the highest in the industry. Market share, 23%, highest among all teams. Stock price, $143, top of the leaderboard. Market cap, leading position. Balanced scorecard, 97%, versus 63% previously. Return on assets/equity, competitive and healthy. As you can see, this new strategy allows you to grow and remain profitable, without sacrificing early rounds for long-term gains. Key metrics to watch each round. Every round, monitor segment demand changes, customer buying criteria shift annually, production efficiency and inventory. Profit margins, CM%, cumulative profit. Stock price movement. Balance scorecard, target greater than or equal to 90%. Set goals per round, such as increase revenue by 15 to 20%, improve profit by 1 to 2 million, raise BSC score above 90, maintain or improve market share. Use the debrief report to analyze strengths and weaknesses. It provides deep insights on financial structure, product contribution margin, and strategic gaps. Summary of strategy by department. Key actions. R&AMP, winking and laughing. Align products with customer expectations using sweet spot rule. Launch early, preferably June, July. Marketing. Set competitive prices, strong promo/sales budgets, focus on awareness and accessibility. Production. Forecast demand, set production plus 10%, upgrade capacity and automation wisely. HR. Invest in training and recruitment from round 2 onwards. Finance. Use long-term debt smartly, maintain cash reserves, avoid emergency loans. TQM. From our 3, select 3 to 5 high ROI investments with long-term impact. Long-term winning mindset. The most successful teams plan 3 to 4 rounds ahead, coordinate across all departments, react fast to competitor changes, use spreadsheets or dashboards to track each product's margin, inventory, market share, customer buying criteria, and most importantly, focus not just on launching new products, but launching them at the right time, with the right specs, and supporting them with full marketing and production backing. Final encouragement. This strategy has helped hundreds of teams achieve scores of 999 out of 1,000 on the balanced scorecard, win all performance metrics, and lead the simulation year after year. Stick to this plan. Stay calm, stay data-driven, and adapt if things shift. Review your debrief every round and make informed decisions. Good luck in your Capstone journey, and I hope to see your team at the top of the leaderboard. Thank you for watching. Let's win this simulation.